Here's how you can clear out all the typing data that your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard has learned since the time you installed it with all the updates and everything, every information it has collected. If you wanted to remove all those words that it learned, phrases as well, here's where you can go to remove it all. And keep in mind, this is irreversible, so let's get started. So let's just say you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here. You want to now go into the settings. So tap on the three dots here. And once within the three dots section here, you'll see these options and you want to go to where it says settings right there. Now in the settings section, you're going to look for typing. And when you see it, you'll tap on it once. And from here on now, you'll go down all this, past all of this here, and you're going to see clear typing data. You will lose personal words in Microsoft Swiftkey that has taught and phrases it has learned, okay? So basically, if you had words over time that you kept on typing and phrases and it starts to learn it as suggestions, if you clear this out, it's gonna clear out all of them, including names as well. So if you don't want any of these things showing up anymore, you wanna start fresh as if you just installed the app, then you want to go with continue. And again, you cannot undo this. So once you do it, it's going to clear it out successfully and everything, and you'll be back to a fresh start. So you only do this if you really want to do this. Got it? Like and sub.